Hello everyone, Nintendo110 here. This is my second video of our Wowie Mega-Byte 2.0. I've recorded him before in the past, but it was when we first got him in like 2020 sometime, and I uploaded it not too long ago, but yeah, he wasn't in really perfect shape. I haven't really used him much since then, but he has been fixed, and there's actually a repair video up on my fiance's channel, Zarua635. But anyways, let's get this guy started. First I'm going to play with some of his functions. You can feed him. And yeah, he makes the chomping sound effects and goes back and forth with that. And you can play around with his tail with these buttons right here. You can turn the light on and off, and on and off, and on and off. Make it go around. And let it do all three functions. Alright, and let's see, next I need to show, I'm not going to show the demo mode because he just goes back and forth and all that, and it's a little annoying. Move his head back and forth and up and down. I think that's pretty cool. And let's see, what else do I have to show? Not sure what those little buttons do on the sides. Alright, now I can show him moving back and forth. My batteries are not the best, but he definitely moves significantly better than he did. We replaced his actual casters with some from Harbor Freight, truthfully. Because his actual ones broke and we didn't get them replicated or anything, we just instead replaced them with some better ones, so he can move around significantly better. Our hardwood floor is not entirely even, so he has a little bit of trouble with traction sometimes, because he's just got tracks back here and wheels up here, but he does his job. Now, let's see what this fella can do. He slips around every now and then, but again, that's because he's got casters that are metal, and because this is an uneven wooden floor. But you can see that both wheels are moving now. And when I first got him, he definitely was not able to do that. When I make both wheels move, he does start moving a little slow because of the low batteries, but I think he lost range of the remote. Come on. There we go. I will be honest, I should have just replaced his batteries before the video, but C's are expensive. He's got little spring-loaded paws, kind of like the 110, 111 Ibos. I think that's kind of cute. And yeah, definitely check out my other video of him from before repair, and check out the repair video on Zerua635, which I'll link in the description. That's this fella while he was getting worked on. And have a wonderful day, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.